what I do, traders. So the purpose of this video today is that I'm going to be explaining to you guys or showing to you guys how I'm going to enter this buy trade using ICT concepts. Then I will explain it using retail concepts. Then you guys will choose which one is more appropriate to you guys. Yeah, which one makes more sense, which one you would use, either the ICT concept or the ICE or retail trading. So let me start with retail trading. Yeah, retail trading ideas, then I'll use ICT concepts. So you guys should be the judges of this trade today. So let's get into it. This is the GBP USD. This is the GBP USD. So I've already done my markings here. Let me show you guys. So right now, price is in an uptrend. So we're using retail trading ideas. Then in a few seconds, we shall be using ICT. Yeah, so make sure you're tuned in. So right now, price is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, another higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We broke the last higher low, so the trend changed, came back, retested. Okay, it didn't even reach the last key level, but it just reversed back to the upside. So let's start from here. So you will understand that this is a retracement move, right? This is a pullback. This is a pullback to major key level. Let me do this. So this is a pullback. This is a pullback to a major key level, and look at where it stopped, right there. So price stops right here and just shifts back to the upside. That doesn't make sense, right? It does not make sense at all. Yeah, because if the price had come back and stopped right here where this cursor is, that would have made more sense using retail trading, right? So you see where I'm going with this. That made more sense. Or if price had come back till this key level, down where this side and gone back, that would have made sense. That I would have said that price has retested a demand level or a key support level, but it doesn't make sense. Out of nowhere, as you can see, out of nowhere, price just stand. It was continuing downside, because if I'm a trader here and I'm a retail trader, I would have seen this as a break and retest. Good retest. You have a momentum candle, enter here, stop losses above, then you go for your take profit. That could have been a perfect trade, but look at what happened. Price didn't even give us a chance to get out. It just took out all stop losses. All retail traders that had their stop losses here and above here within a span of 8 hours. And you know the markets, guys, will still be hoping that they think it's going to the downside. Yeah. So let's go. So we don't even understand why this happens. So I'm explaining retail trading. Then I'll go to ICT. Make sure you're following. So price rallies to the upside. So we expect it like to have problems breaking this so that we can go to the downside, right? But it does not happen because this is also a key level, right? This is a major resistance level or supply level in the market using retail trading ideas. You feel me? So price is supposed to stop here and go back to the downside. Let me get a cursor. Let me get an arrow real quick and put it there. Yeah, but this doesn't happen now. So price just continues to obviate this key resistance level. It just breaks it. Of course, slowly it breaks it. Then we have a retest, a pullback. So whenever we break resistance and price breaks and turns back and gives us a pullback, resistance turns into support. So we always buy at support, but we always buy with confirmation, right? So price broke, retested. When the retest happened, look at what happened there. And price came back here with momentum, gave us an indecision candle. We have rejections, we have a momentum candle, then you have a consolidation, right? And after every consolidation, all price movements start with consolidation. That's a little ICT text or ICT what concept right there. But should I get to ICT in a moment right now? So you have a consolidation here. So I'm going to put my bar stops above here so that you can take that trade, because the trade has met all criterias for the retail trading. One more thing, on the 1 hour, this is what I'll be looking for. Be looking for change. Sorry guys. I want to look for change of behavior. I want for this to be broken so that price shows us that there's the momentum to the upside. Then on 30 minutes time frame, if you can get some patterns, yeah, like the break and retest, that's a very good pattern here. Break and retest, like we break this in 30 minutes time frame, break it and retest it so that you can take the buys to the upside. So that's why I want to put my buy stops right above this last structure here, either somewhere here, so that when price goes up, just goes up with momentum. Okay, now let's go to the ICT. Let's now use ICT concepts here. Let's now use ICT concepts. So this is it. So price is making a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower high. So this is probably a mini downtrend, right? But the overall trend is to the upside. The overall trend is to the upside. So this is what happens basically. Price continues to rally, but price. So previously here we have equal lows here, equal highs that were taken out. Then you have equal lows here, equal lows here that were taken out before we went to the upside. But price has rallied for a long time to the upside and is losing momentum. Yeah, this is like a whole full month of consolidating. That's the month of December. Between like December 15th to January 7th or 9th, price has just been consolidating here, as you can see in the delta. These are many days. These are many days and many weeks. So there were orders below here, orders below here, orders below here that had to be liquidated. Yeah, the order blocks, liquidity voids that had to be liquidated or filled in for price to continue its rally to the upside. Yeah, because this is what the market makers do. Yeah, they have to take to drive an uptrend, drive a trend, then they have to come back and collect enough orders, enough money to make the next push stronger. So price came back, it's consolidating here. So that's not a good idea to trade when price is consolidating. Remember, all price movements start from a consolidation, and since we were also in a Christmas holiday, we're not supposed to be trading. So price comes here. So if you notice, we make equal highs and lows, we make equal highs and lows, equal highs and lows. So when you keep on making these equal highs and lows, price has to collect orders. Remember, this is a Christmas period in the market. Christmas holiday, there's small money, or there's less money in the market. All investors have taken out their money. Everyone is on holiday mode. Investors have taken out their money, so there's less money in the market. So price has to consolidate for a long time to collect orders. And you can see we took out these lows. These lows were obviated. Took them out. Lows were taken out. Then people started selling from around there. Then they were also liquidated, taken out. So then those who were trading during this time, which was a very bad idea, thought, okay, this thing is going up. Then look at what happened. They put their stop loss below here, or here, or here. They were also taken out. Then again, this brings us to a move that does not make sense. So this thing was destined to go to the upside. Yeah. So these guys were, okay, this time it's going down. It is going down this time. They entered right here, stop losses above. Even these guys who entered here, stop losses above, they were taken out with this one candle. So all along this time, this is a manipulative move or a tarot soap move. price was just collecting orders or collecting enough money to go to the upside, and it took out everyone that was involved in this consolidation here, and price took out the orders that were below here, as you can see. Took them out by how many pips? This is 1901, 1836, by 70 pips. By 70 pips. Took out all these orders that were down here and here. All of them orders were taken out, and we filled in the order block. See this order block down here was filled in by the market. We filled in an order block, as you can see. So an order block was filled in. There was a liquidity pool down this side which was also filled, and a taro soup. Liquidity was taken from around all these places, and all the stops that were here were also taken out finally. So after the expansion move, we have the retracement or the retracement. Right now, we have the consolidation. At the consolidation here, and after the consolidation, there's an expansion. You always want to wait for an expansion. If you pull out the Fibonacci, and you put the Fibonacci from, let me get this consolidation properly, from the body to this body here, body of the high, body of the low, and you get the 50 level. 50 level is right here. Yeah. So always you want to wait for the expansion, then the retracement back to the order block, to the 4-hour order block, the 4-hour order block, or to the mid to equilibrium, so that we can take that trade. But I have all my confirmations. I can put my buy stops right above here. That's at 21.65. That's where I'm going to be putting my buy stops. Yeah. Then the stop loss below here, below the last week. Then I go for my take profits up here or up here. Because of this previous key level here, we have we have orders around here that have been taken out, and price always takes it out by a few pips. So you always safe to put it above here, just right above this high here. So let me do that right now.